Hello people. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about making a to-do list and reasons of making a to-do list and give you some tips. A to-do list is your daily map, showing you exactly where to navigate each day. The reasons of making a to-do list are: 1. Bring structure to the day. Many people don't know or are confused about their goal, but if you will make a daily to-do list, you will have a list of daily actionable tasks to achieve your goals and to be one step closer to the end goal. 2. A sense of accomplishment. If you are making a to-do list on a notebook and you are completing the task on daily basis, and if on any day, you are unable to complete the task, you can review your past day's accomplishment and you will have a sense of accomplishment instead of a regret. 3. Less to hold in head. Even if we don't write a to-do on paper, our subconscious always reminds us or calculates the remaining tasks, which can make us frustrated. If you are writing to-do, you can have peace of mind as your mind have less things to hold or remind you. 4. Prioritize. While writing to-do list, you can prioritize very important and urgent tasks by using this priority matrix. Also, you can choose the most important tasks with this matrix. 5. Better time management. You can manage your time. As once a legend said, we should focus on what to do, rather than how much time to spend. So, if you have a list of works and rather than giving 1 hour to each work, you will focus on completing tasks one by one, and you will complete all the tasks before the day ends and can spend rest of time to do whatever you want. So, now some tips that I am also using, and I think, will help you. 1. Mix up. You can use to-do list to professional as well as personal life. If you mix both personal and professional to-do list or you write both lists together, you can check both important dates of work and important works for home don't come on same day, and you can also check for holidays as well. 2. Be specific. Always write specific and actionable tasks on your to-do list. If I am making a video, I will write on my to-do 1. Gather information. 2. Write script. 3. Collect images for video. And being specific can reduce your stress as well. 3. Be realistic. Don't write things like complete whole week's work today. You are not showing this to do to anyone. Be realistic. How much tasks can you complete today? Only write that much. And if you wrote unrealistic tasks and didn't complete those tasks, you will have a strong regret. And you won't work anymore. 4. Have limited tasks. As I said earlier, don't write all weeks to do on same day. Write maximum 10 tasks per day and prioritize most important tasks as A, B, C, according to their importance. And complete these tasks first. 5. Go easy on yourself. If you didn't or unable to complete any tasks or whole to-do list, don't regret or be hard on yourself, focus on completing at least 75% of the tasks. And if you cannot, there's next day there to achieve more things. Regret is the biggest enemy. Never regret. And people, many more videos are coming on this channel, you can suggest me topics and comments as well. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and press bell icon to never miss an update. You can follow me on Instagram @ResistivPhoton. Have a nice day.